In Workshop 5, we covered how to create a business proposal for your small business. Within your submission for the final competition, you'll be required to submit a one-page business proposal that encompasses the key features of your business. So far, you have collected all the components you need to build a business proposal from the last few workshops. Some of these components include your product, marketing, finances, and any aspirations or future goals for your startup. Your product and branding should be at the forefront of your business proposal. It gives the reader a sense of what your business is actually offering and how you've positioned your business within the industry. This may be in the form of a mission statement, business values, an executive statement, key objectives, production processes, or simply a brief description of what your product or service is. You can also display your marketing strategy to help communicate how you've come to identify certain customer segments and target markets. Using financial statements can also communicate the financial well-being of your business. Financial statements can provide insights into how your business generates revenue, total profits, and costs, and how profits will be allocated. To further supplement your business summary, you may want to include a section that details where you see your business a few years down the line. What opportunities would you want your business to take advantage of, or what areas would you expand into that reflects your enterprise's core values? Knowing how your business differentiates itself from its competitors is also something worthwhile to think about. Despite all of these points being key features of an exemplary business proposal, it's ultimately up to you to decide what you want to highlight about your business. And that's a quick summary of how to create a business proposal. We wish your team the best of luck. See you at the final competition.